20-count box of decorative Nickelodeon That Girl Lay Band-Aid Brand Adhesive Bandages for kids to cover and protect minor cuts and scrapes to deliver daily wound care protection and perfect for your family's first aid kit. Character bandages designed with fun Nickelodeon That Girl Lay graphics in adorable and colorful designs with characters from the popular show to make first aid more fun for your child. These Nickelodeon That Girl Lay bandages are designed to cover and protect minor cuts and scrapes with nonstick pad that does not stick to the wound. These fun bandages for kids are essential first aid supplies. These Band-Aid Brand Adhesive Bandages come in box with an assortment of sizes and fun character design. They are great for small wounds, suitable for young kids and can bring a smile to their face with exciting graphics. Individually wrapped sterile bandages protect minor wounds from coming into contact with germs and dirt for first aid and wound care. For best results, apply to clean, dry skin. Change daily, when wet, or more often if needed. Top reviews from the United States. Same quality Band-Aids with fresh branding. These bandages are high quality, just as you'd expect from Band-Aids. The bandages have great adhesion and are durable, while the fun branding adds a tornado of pink. The designs are fun and the art is stylish, so these not only help you heal, you'll look good while you heal.